welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Learn with Data. Today we will discuss about Spark Streaming. So you know that real-time data processing is a crucial capability in today's data-driven world. With Spark Streaming, you can process live data stream such as logs, sensor data, or social media feeds in a real time. In this video, we will walk through the process of setting up and running a PySpark set streaming application on your local system. Okay, so we will cover about everything like what is PySpark streaming, key concept in PySpark streaming, how does PySpark streaming work, and we will also implement step by step implementation with Python code. Okay, by the end you will have a solid understanding of Spark streaming, how can we configure TCP socket, and how can we pass the data through with TCP socket and capture by Spark streaming. So be ready to use them in your own Spark projects. Let's learning. So first is what is PySpark streaming. PySpark streaming is a module in Apache Spark that enable real-time data processing. Okay, it allow to you process live data streams such as logs, sensor data, or social media feeds in a real time. For a real example, you can also the stock market that you can also capture the real-time data. What is the current situation open stock market? Okay, and the last PySpark streaming work by dividing the data into small batches, that is also called the micro batches, and processing each batch using Spark distributed computing engine. So most of the thing that what is the key feature of PySpark streaming? First thing is the scalability. Okay, scalability, that means PySpark streaming can handle data stream from thousands of sources. It leverages Spark distributed computing capabilities to process data in parallel. Second one is fault tolerance. I have already many times about the fault tolerance. Okay, if a node fails, Spark can recover lost data using lineage. Okay, that is also record of transformation. Third one is integration. PySpark stream integrate with various data sources such as Kafka, Plume, and TCP socket. And it's also very easy of use. PySpark streaming provides a high level API that easy to use, especially if you are already familiar with Spark. So how does PySpark streaming work? First one is data ingestion. Okay, data is ingested from like Kafka, Flume, or TCP socket, and it also data is divided into very small batches based on a user defined interval, that is every 5 seconds, 2 seconds, or 10 seconds, whatever you will define, that it will update the data accordingly. Okay, second one is the batch processing. Each batch of data is processed as an RDD through with the realigned distributed data set. Okay, it also transformation like map, filter, or action, that is also the count and reduce are applied to the RDD. Everything, if the it's also data ingestion and batch processing will complete, it also generate an output will also inform the result of each batch or output to a sink such as a database, file system, or a dashboard. Here are some key concepts of PySpark streaming. Okay, first is the DStream, that is the discretized stream. Okay, it is like as a sequence of RDD representing a continuous stream of data. Each RDD in a stream contain data from a specific time interval, that I have told, like it's a time interval like a 2 second, 5 second, or 10 second, whatever you will perform. Okay. Second one is the source. Source, like it's like as anything like the Kafka, Plum, and the TCP socket also. Third one is the transformation. It also transform the data like that, transform the map, filter, or reduce. Okay. Third one is the output. Same thing is there, which I have told you earlier. Now we will perform Spark streaming one by one. Okay. First, that is the main topic, that you need to first install the PySpark. Second one, you need to set up a TCP socket through with your terminal. Okay. Third one, that you need to write the PySpark streaming code. Okay. Once you write the PySpark streaming code, you need to send the data to the TCP socket. Okay. And finally, once you send the data, you can also see your result, what you are sending through with the TCP socket. So let's do one by one. First, as you know that how can we install the PySpark. First, when you set up, I have already told you, but this is the command to PySpark. Okay, just simple this one. Okay, once you do this one, that you need to set up TCP socket through the TCP. For the TCP socket, first you need to download uh, TCP map. Okay, through this one, you need to go this one. Nmap 7.95 setup exe. I will give you this path into description. You need to just download this one, okay, and install into your local system. Once you install into your system, now that you need to configure the version of this one. Okay, that you can also give the version. Okay, ncat version. Okay, first, once you define the ncat version, you can also get the ncat version like 7.95. Okay, after get the version, so you can now define the ncat lk99 double nine double nine into your local laptop. Okay, just this one. Okay, now go into your Visual Studio, check. Could not pass master URL local 2. Okay, uh, this this one, I think there is some issue. Okay, check. Okay, now you can see it has been executed. Okay, now you need to create a DStream from a TCP source. Okay, lines is equal to ssc.socket test stream localhost whatever we have given, then 9999. Okay, now you need to process the stream. Like the words is equal to lines dot flat map lambda that line dot line split. Okay, now you need to give this word counts for each whatever you will pass na, that for each word that you can also count that one. Okay, that is the words dot map lambda dot word that will also reduce by k for the lambda function x a plus b, that you can also perform this one. Now you can words count print. Okay, now we are also going to start the streaming contest. ssc dot start, and wait for the, now we write the code for the, if they wait for the streaming contest to terminate. Okay, just ssc dot await termination. Okay, so this is the code for Spark streaming. Now what we'll do, we will also execute this one. It is saying okay, now it's already initialized this one. So what we'll do, we will also restart this one. Again execute, again execute. Now you go to into your Visual Studio, that is the Anaconda. Okay, just simple hello tag learn with data. Enter this one. Okay, go to this one. So here you will this one, hello tag learn with data. Now you are getting the streaming data into here. Okay, again just write good morning. So you also receive this one. Just check. Good morning. Okay. So from this one, you have also understood what is PySpark streaming and also key concept of PySpark streaming. We have also implement the TCP socket and how can we pass the data through with the TCP socket. Okay, and we have also implemented the Python code for the this PySpark streaming also. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Thank you.